Alright, so welcome back again to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the administration email address in your WordPress website. So as you can see, I'm having a problem of changing the email address in the administration. So I was just going to give access to the client by changing the email address, and they can just use their email address to have access to the WordPress website. And then I have this issue that I'm not able to get this confirmation email from the client's Gmail account. But I have another solution how to change this email address without sending the confirmation. So all you have to do is to go to your website you already, and if you are in your WordPress website already, so you have to remove the general here, PHP, and you click on add .php, and then click enter and wait for a few seconds to load. So from here you will see your site options. So you have to scroll down and until you see where you have to change your email address. So this is the email address and we are just going to change it. So I have to enter the email address here, and then after that we scroll down and click save changes. And if you see a white screen like this, so don't worry, just refresh, continue, refresh, and then you have to go back to the settings and general and see if this email address has been changed. So as you can see, the email address has been changed and you have not get the email confirmation. So if this was helpful for you, please like the video and let's just go for another solution. Number 2, so another solution is just to go to plugins, click on the plugins, wait for a few seconds to load, and from here you just have to add another plugin and search for the plugin called change admin image. So type in change admin image and you have to install this plugin and activate that. And after installing this, you just have to go to the settings again in general, and you can just add in your email address here, and you can add your email address here and then click test image, and that's it. So I hope this video was very helpful for you, and if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss any other update, and let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.